How to prevent from being lazy and be productive. There are several ways to prevent laziness and increase productivity. Here are a few tips. Set clear goals. Set clear and specific goals for yourself. Make a list of what you want to achieve and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Develop a routine. Establish a daily routine and stick to it. This will help you develop good habits and get into the mindset of being productive. Eliminate distractions. Remove all potential distractions from your workspace, like your phone or social media, and try to focus on one task at a time. Take breaks. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout and increase productivity. Use your break time to do something you enjoy, like going for a walk or reading a book. Get organized. Keep your workspace organized and tidy. This will reduce stress and make it easier to get things done. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and inspired, like listening to music or reading motivational quotes. Reward yourself. Celebrate your accomplishments, big or small. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, like a favorite snack or activity. Remember, productivity is a habit that can be developed over time with practice and persistence.